the reason why Ekpa is doing what he's doing in Finland. Then again, secondly, whoever this speech is, accredited to, whoever is responsible to this speech, I don't mention anybody, should come out and tell the world the reason why it is right for Nigeria to violate a treaty they went into many years ago. I mean, abducting people from another country into your own country internationally, according to jurisprudence, that's law. What law is? Law ideology, international law. Is it right? Is it right to abduct somebody instead of following the right through process of extradition before bringing somebody home? You will now go to offshore and what? Abducted somebody because you have money. You are a Nigerian. You are a Nigerian government. You are Nigeria. That bribe and bribe and bribe. Give international communities billions of dollars while Nigerians are dying at home. And you use money and give money to Kenya. You guys play the game of abduction. And today nnamdikanu is languishing unnecessarily, illegally at DSS facility. Tell Ejiofor, as he called his name, as he mentioned his name, that he should go back to school. It is very good to be an educated person. When you are reading, you don't read to use vocabulary and all manner of English terminology to siphon the country's money or to intimidate the people that you are serving in the public institution. See, when you go to school, you become what? Mentally sound, physically sound, morally and otherwise. Listen and listen good. Ejiofor is trying to tell us that he has the willpower, the might, the government power, the federal might is behind him. That's why he's saying all manner of nonsense about nnamdikanu and Simon Ekpa. If Ejiofor could be in his right senses, he wouldn't have just come out and be saying all manner of rubbish about Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is in Finland doing his business there. The right thing to do is follow the right process. This is Nigerian government. Follow the extradition process. If it works out between Nigeria and Finland, Simon Ekpa will be what? Brought home. I don't know what to understand. Because if Nigeria see the chance, the right way, for them or their own right way, they would have gone to Finland since and abducted Simon Ekpa. Criminality and illegality is the order of the day. But they cannot do it because Simon Ekpa is deeply rooted in Finland. And let me tell you, if Finland government is not behind him, seeing what he's doing as a right thing, Simon Ekpa would have been extradited since last year. Are you listening to me? So it's no need of people running their mouth, claiming and accusing Igbo man of all manner of criminalities they are not guilty of. It's not all about telling the whole world that masked men are IPOB. How could you have solved the riddle behind the mask? Can you tell us who are behind the mask? Nobody can tell. But because we are Igbos, they are saying the mystery, the riddle, the mystery behind the mask are the Igbos. Oga, we are tired of suppression and oppression. As I am here, I'm tired of marginalization and people persecuting me because I'm an Igbo man. So come what may, whatever Ejiofor likes, he should do. Simon Ekpa is there. Finland is a country. Finland is still existing in Scandinavia, Europe. Are you listening to me? They are there. Nigeria should go there. No need of talking all manner of, saying all manner of nonsense on social media. Yeah, he is there.
But he said they've not started the negotiation, that Nigeria should start negotiating with Finland as regards it immediately. That but I don't know, but do you don't think that if they start negotiation, if Nigeria start, as he has said, do you not think that the Finland might really bow to pressure from Nigeria to extradite?
Okay, I'm a human being, you are a human being. If what Simon Ekpa is doing is liable to punishment, Finland can do that. In Finland again, I made one point here. If what he's doing is wrong, liable to punishment, that's liable to error, Finland will do the needful. Now see another point too. If Finland is a rubbish country, a country where illegality is the common order of the day, a country that embezzles the money that the Commonwealth that means for the whole finish. Listen to me. Finland can do so. If Finland is a country whereby people that are their president and prime ministers in Finland are above 190. I think as a result of mental deterioration, Finland can do so. What are you saying? Finland is an advanced society, advanced country of Europe. If care is not taken, it's one of the most. Development is not all about when you tar road. Listen and listen good. You have development here. When you are developed here, Ogocha, it is finished. Okpari, I listen to me. So what we are looking towards here is law, international law. I listen to me. Nnamdikanu read law. He knows law. That's why Nigerian court could not go anywhere. Now, as I'm talking to you now, no court in Nigeria is qualified to try a man that is free. A man that was free since last year. I listen to me. So what happened is, we know what we are doing. We know what we are saying. Nobody can tell us what to do because we know our rights. Nigerians know their rights. It's not about using soldier and police shooting at civilians. This time around, Biafra has gone beyond that. Biafra now, you see, is a spirit, is an idea. It cannot die. Kotsi, Rewan, that Yoruba guy, he said it's a spirit. To me, it was an idea before, but I can see that he has gone beyond idea. What? From idea to spirit. And you know that spirit is immortal. Oga, Biafra has come. You can't kill Biafra. There's nothing Tinubu can do today that will kill Biafra. What Buhari did in the past, Biafra is still alive. What Obasanjo did in the past, Biafra is still alive. What Adekule Scorpion did in the past, Biafra still lives. Oga, long live Biafra. Long live Igbo land. Long live Igbo man. Oga, on the faces of oppression, persecution, Oga, we are here. We are not going anywhere. Biafra has come.
Okay. But during Ekpa and Tosu, during Ekpa Tosu with Sheon Kutsi, you know, it meant Sheon was like Ekpa should come down here and fight for Biafra freedom, liberation. But you know, do you not think that if Ekpa do like what Ejiofor said? He said Ekpa should come home and fight for Biafra. But do you think it's wise of him to come down, or he should remain there in Finland fighting for his people?
That Ejiofor is talking like someone that has not seen 4 walls of university or school. That Ekpa should come home and fight for Biafra. Are Biafras fighting? Are we fighting? We are fighting the war of the mind. The war we are fighting started since 1970 now, after the war. We started the war, fighting the war of here, intelligence, mental war. So I wonder if Ejiofor himself has known classroom before. Because he talks like a poorly educated man who has not even attended the university. And he was given that kind of position. Look at what he's saying. He should come back and fight. Are we fighting? Who fights who? Nigeria fights Biafra. Buhari fights Nnamdikanu's compound. He was the one that unleashed that kind of mayhem on a palace. They created the palace. The man died. The man's wife died. Nnamdikanu's father is the man I mean. The wife I mean is Nnamdikanu's mother. They lost their life. Buhari sent Nigerian military. They created Nnamdikanu's palace. As a result of that today, Nnamdikanu's father and his mother died. Nigeria, as very wicked country, could not even send condolence message to Nnamdikanu. Imagine that kind of downgraded inhumanity of man against man. When Buhari was there as a president, all this thing happened. Buhari could not stretch forth his handshake of at least reconciliation or, yes, emotion to say sorry to the man. Do you know that Buhari, 150,000 Buhari could not what ordinary finger of Nnamdikanu, a finger of Nnamdikanu. So I don't equate both personality at all. Nnamdikanu is too further than Buhari and his cronies. And here comes here today, Tinubu is just manifesting Buhari and denying it, that only Igbo should be free, and Nnamdikanu is there. And later he will tell us that he went to Toronto University and Chicago. Oga, when you went to school, if you behave, if you interact with people, they will know that you actually went to school. So let me tell you, what I'm seeing here in this part of the world is not right at all. Nigeria is not doing well at all. What they did, what Nigeria was under Buhari, what Nigeria is under Tinubu today, okay, I totally write them off. I'm not interested at all with this country.
Thank you very much. I thank you, our viewers all over the world, wherever you are. May God bless you and bless your family. Yes. Kenneth Okonkwo. And I'm hardly disappointed in him. And I was shocked when I heard this kind of news for his mouth. And it's Okonkwo. Kenneth Okonkwo, I mean to say. It's a shock to me. I was surprised. A whole chicken and timber caliber from Biafra land to denounce his origin. Wonderful. Of course, in an organization, there must be a Judas. There must be a Judas. In an organization, could be anywhere. Judas must be there. Of course, all of us cannot agree. It happens everywhere. But I had it supported on him. He to come out and say it's not a Biafra. I had it disappointed. But it happens everywhere. Judas is everywhere. It's not every Biafra we agree. As long as we are seeing in Nigeria that we agree that it's a Biafra. The wait and come. Now we know whether he will belong to Nigeria. He will tell me whether Okonkwo is a Nigerian name or Biafran name, Oduduwa name or Ariwan name. He will tell me that time. If you say you are not Biafra, okay, let Biafra come. If you want to go with your Nigeria, you can go with your Nigeria. You can go. Yes. You have to come out to open up. Tell your people that you are not belong to your own people. Where do you come from? Are you from Fulani? Are you from Niger? Are you from Chad? Are you from Sudanese? To come out to deny your origin, your land, where you come from. It's a big shameful thing. No, it's a big mess. It's a disgrace for him. I had it supported on the Okonkwo. I had it supported on him. There's somebody that I believe that is one of the person, that will be carrying us along, carrying the Biafra along, that come out now, and the snap. It means he's looking for something. He's looking for something from these people. He's looking for something from APC. That is why he came out tonight to deny the people, to deny the people. As an Igbo man, you come out to deny where you come from, deny your people. Shameful thing. It's a very shameful thing to him. I hardly supported on him. Then it will be a film. It will be a film. When Biafra comes, how will we know whether he will jump Nigeria or will jump Biafra? I think the whole world have heard him. What you just said. Wonderful. If you like, don't jump Biafra, you like, join. We are not forcing anybody. What is the benefit for this country? The country that you are, that you are not free. As an Igbo man, you are progressing, they are having you. They don't need their progress. They don't need the way you work, they don't like you. If you try to progress, they will bring one thing or another to stabilize your progress. You want Nigeria? It would be the time of Igbo man to collect his own share. They will say, they share them. That's Nigeria for you, one Nigeria. They will say, they share them. Why does this Igbo man to collect? They will say, they share them. One Nigeria. But why are you fooling me? Why are you making noise after one? We are one party win an election in Lagos. You come after another person. You come after one person. You can't go against themselves because of one party win an election in Lagos. You come after one particular people. Say they want to pollute your land. One Nigeria. Because the whole chance is not win. When the Nigeria come out, the whole youth come out and say, no, enough is enough with this mess. We need this man. At the end of the day, the man won. He won you. End of the day, you come after Igbos. It's so Igbo was supposed to pollute your land. In the name of one Nigeria. We are still talking one Nigeria, Abi. But boy, enough is enough. We can never forget the past. They may forget. But the Easterners can never forget the past. We cannot forget. You can never eat a cake and still have it. And when you say your mother will not sleep, you too will never sleep. Nigeria believe that Igbos can never sleep. The Easterners cannot sleep. The Nigeria can never sleep. Look at that. Nigeria is running up and messing up and down. Look at the mess in this country. You enter your country, you are not safe. Killing here and here, hungry. People are dying day by day because of hardship. Why we won? When people might come out to rule, they say no. Did you love me? Is that one country? He said, we no rule. Okay, let me go. He said, no. It means it's my first marriage. You are forcing me to marry you. It's my first marriage. That's Nigeria. It's a renegade marriage. I said, I don't want to eat with you alone again. Now you say, no, I must eat with you. When the child grows to be free from his family, from his father, it's good to be free. We still want to go. We want to be free for this mess. You say no. Okay, Allah want to do. He said no. Allah want to be. He said no. That we should down that you. That we should be controlled. You will be controlled with the Fulanis. Igbos will be controlled with Fulanis. Both home and their way. They will be doing you, even your state. That's the agenda. Now we say no. Enough is enough. We want to go. He said our mouth is smelling. We shall know who his mouth is smelling. Later we shall know. And as a cockroach, you guys sit down. I hardly supported him. He to come out, a permanent Igbo man. A man that I love, that come out today. And mess himself up. I hardly supported him. Whether you like it, Biafra is something to say. Biafra will be. Because we cannot control in this mess. We can't. Call on council. Biafra will come to stay. I believe where I come from. I just survived in Nigeria. It's by grace. It's by His grace. I'm just suffering every day. Surviving is by His grace. Nigeria don't care for me. Of course, they don't care for Igbo. When you thought they said, come and get out there, go do your business. Wonderful. Okay, without business, Igbo man cannot live. Or Igbo man cannot do other thing. Go, you don't know business. You don't know about government. What an insult for Igbo days. That's what they tell you. Go to your business. What do you know? One Nigeria. I never see one Nigeria. I always say you people. I haven't seen one Nigeria. Can I call what you go with Nigeria? You should go with Nigeria, no problem. But when Biafra comes, when the Biafra comes to stay, I will know whether you control in Nigeria. Whether you will announce your father's name. Whether you will announce your father's name. Tosaraki or Jageda, I will know. That is it, my brother. I'm totally to support him. Thank you.